Hi guys, welcome. In this video we gotta learn about how to use shadows in our text or on a container. First, let's go for our text and give it some shadows to make it cooler. Go to the style sheet and write your tag name. Open a curly brace and write text shadows inside. Give it some values that I'm gonna talk about them now. Also, you can change the color of the shadow. The first number is for horizontal of shadow. If you give more numbers, your shadow will go right side. The second number is for vertical, and giving more numbers to it will make it go down. The third number is for blurring the shadow. If you change it to more numbers like the others, the shadow will become a little fade. You can even change the direction of the shadow. For instance, you can make horizontal to go left by putting a minus behind the horizontal value, or making it go up by putting the minus behind the vertical value. We can add another shadow. First, we put a comma in front of our first shadow code and copy and paste the same thing in front of it. I want to change the color to make it looking better. And as I said, we can change the direction of it, so I put minus in both vertical and horizontal numbers. Next, I want to make a random box and give it some shadows. So I use the tag dev and make class named box. I go to style sheet and give it width, height and the background color. For giving shadow, use box shadow and give the same values that we used on text shadows. As you can see, we can do all the same thing with our box. We can change the directions, color, and the blur value. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.